In this video, I'll guide you through how to check your travel history on Google Maps. Google Maps is a fantastic tool for navigation, but it also keeps a detailed log of your journeys, which can be incredibly useful if you want to revisit a specific route or simply reminisce about past travels. Today, we're going to explore how you can access and review this travel history with ease. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. This is where all the magic happens. Once the page loads, you'll notice a beautifully detailed map of your current location or the last location you searched. Google Maps is not just about finding directions, it's also about keeping a personal travel diary, and this is the first step to accessing that diary. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Clicking on this icon will open a side menu with a variety of options. This menu is your gateway to all the features Google Maps has to offer beyond simple map navigation. After opening the menu, the next thing you'll want to click on is Saved. This option is your personal library of places, including those you've marked as favorites, places you've wanted to visit, and importantly, your own custom maps. Clicking Saved will lead you to a variety of lists that you have created or that Google has suggested based on your activity. Once you're in the Saved section, look for the Maps tab. Clicking on Maps will show you a list of any custom maps you've created, along with your travel history if you've set it up. This section is especially handy if you've been using Google Maps to document your journeys, as it gives you a visual record of where you've been over time. Remember, your travel history is only available if you have turned on location history in your Google account settings. If you haven't, you might want to enable it to start tracking future travels. It's a great way to look back and see all the places you've explored. However, do keep in mind that enabling location history might raise some privacy considerations, as it allows Google to store your location data. Always make sure you're comfortable with the privacy settings and adjust them according to your preferences. By following these steps, you can easily access your travel history on Google Maps, providing a detailed insight into your past travel adventures. Whether you're planning your next trip or just curious about where you've been, Google Maps travel history feature is a valuable tool. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide, and happy traveling.